TOEFL-style listening practice exercise. Lecture audio transcript. Academic topic: Environmental Science. Professor. Today we are going to discuss a fascinating form of renewable energy, geothermal energy. Unlike solar or wind power, which depend on atmospheric conditions, geothermal energy taps into the Earth's internal heat. It's a reliable source, especially in geologically active areas. Now, geothermal plants work by drilling into hot reservoirs underground. These reservoirs produce steam or hot water which spin turbines and generates electricity. One interesting fact, countries like Iceland generate over 25% of their electricity using geothermal sources. Of course, there are challenges. High upfront costs and location limitations can make development difficult, but new technologies like enhanced geothermal systems are expanding where these plants can be built. The future looks bright for this clean energy option. Now, the listening exercise, comprehension questions. What is the main topic of the professor's lecture? How wind and solar energy are used today, the advantages and challenges of geothermal energy, why Iceland imports electricity, the history of energy sources. So what is the main topic of the professor's lecture? So the main topic is geothermal energy, the advantages and challenges of geothermal energy, option number 2. So the question is, according to the lecture, what makes geothermal energy more reliable than other renewables? It produces more electricity, it relies on air pressure, it is not affected by weather conditions, or it requires fewer workers. So the answer is 1. It produces more electricity. Which of the following is mentioned as a challenge for geothermal development? Pollution concerns, equipment breakdowns, high initial costs, or excessive land use. So the answer is 3. High initial costs. What example does the professor give to illustrate successful use of geothermal energy? Kenya's growing power plants, Iceland's electricity production, the US Department of Energy, or the solar farms in Germany. So the answer is 2. Iceland's electricity production.